Hi guys, welcome to Behind the Blueprint, a series of episodes here at Curtain Bluff where we'll show you what's happening behind the scenes at the hotel this summer. I'm Toya Turner, Reservations and Revenue Manager.
And I'm Rob Sherman, Chief Bottle Washer. And as Toya mentioned, this summer we're going to be redoing all 42 junior suites, including Morris Bay and Grace Bay, a couple of our signature pool suites. We'll also be doing a fantastic job on Sea Grape, our beach restaurant. We'll have a whole new field look. Wow, this is looking good, eh, Toya?
Yeah, it's very different.
Well, it's going to be different. And this, right now, we're standing in one of the beautiful pool suites. This is Grace Bay, and it's going to be completely redone.
Hi, I'm Michele Thomas and I'm the project manager for the renovation of the Curtain Bluff Hotel. We're completely refurbishing 42 of the guest suites. That would entail new tiles, new colors. This is Morris Bay, which is the largest suite we have, living area, bedroom and bathroom. New wardrobes, especially new lighting in here, moving away from the old color schemes and getting a bit more contemporary. These rooms are getting the full refurb, very different bathrooms and completely redesigned and reorganized. These are the new tiles, and we've got diamond shape in the middle with a faux porcelain wood tile border. We will be adding foot baths outside to the beach. Yeah, one of the challenges with these renovations is that on site each room varies in dimensions, and what project manager has to bring to it is problem solving. So if in one room the dimension is slightly off, how do we adjust for it, and how best to solve the problem. Behind me you can see the renovations that we're started on this Sea Grape restaurant, which is the beach restaurant. We will be expanding the seating, completely changing the ambiance of the place and atmosphere. We will have a sunken bar and brand new lighting. The kitchen is being expanded out to the back and brand new state-of-the-art equipment.
Thank you for joining us in our first episode of the Curtain Bluff Redo Summer of 2025.
And we'll see you next month in August for episode 2 of Behind the Blueprint. Until then, take care guys, and bye.
Bye.